Hey guys, so this is Matt from MSG's Treasures. I'm just making this quick short video. I wanted to show y'all how I ship vinyl records. This is different from like 78 RPM records, which are like really brittle and they're called shellac. Um, I don't ship those like this, but this is how I ship every vinyl record, whether it's $9 to $100. I do add a little extra protection for the really expensive records. Like I double box them and stuff. But I've shipped hundreds of records like this and haven't had an issue. No complaints. So let's get to it real quick. So basically, I take two strips, 3 panels long of the small bubble wrap. And I usually do this standing up, it's a lot faster. And I always grab the record by the end here, because you don't want fingerprints. So I just wrap this around here like that. And over. And 3 panels covers that up pretty good. And most of the time with the sleeve and inner sleeve, I leave it in the jacket. But if I pull it out, because it comes out with the record sometimes, just for the sake of time, I just leave it on top like this. It's not going to hurt it. So then I put this here like that. So here's the opening of this bubble wrap. I take the next sheet of bubble wrap and just do the same thing. But go the opposite direction. Fold over the record mailer. So these are mailers I get on eBay. You buy them in bulk. They're about 40 cents a piece. I usually buy 200 or 300 at a time. And then I tape. That's basically it. So this is going to be under a pound. Medium mail is going to ship for $2.81, I think. Double. I can put up to 3 records in this thing. If it's a triple record with one jacket, and then ship it out. That's basically it. So thanks for watching this really quick video how to ship the records, and whenever I ship a 78 RPM record, I'll make a little short video for that too. Thanks for watching. Bye.